Hi guys, this is Dr. Anand Madane from Tirthankar Maha University, Moradabad. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about the weather forecasting. What does it mean by weather forecasting? What is the definition of weather forecasting? After that, scope and importance of weather forecasting. What are their application in agriculture and how there are types of the weather forecasting. How we can predict the weather forecasting. That point we are going to discuss in today's video. First one, so we will see the what is the mean by weather forecast. Here is this definition is simple that indicates the prediction of weather for the next few days to the season is called as weather forecast. Here forecasting, you have to do forecasting means upcoming days. Suppose that tomorrow there is a, we have to do harvesting of the wheat. So after that, after 3 days, there is a wheat is ready to harvest. We have to see the harvesting of that wheat. Then which type of probability of weather is there? How many wind velocity is there? What is there any rainfall? Is there is a temperature is going on decreasing or increasing? These parameters we have to according to that we have to predict the weather by meteorological data. That is the concept of weather forecast. Next, climatic control. Climatic control is the average value of 30 years of a particular weather element. Take example of this is the region of the Moradabad. Take a case study. Suppose that you are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Hyderabad, and you are from Maharashtra. Suppose that you are from Kerala. Therefore, Indian Meteorological Department scientists, what they are doing, they will collect the data from 30 years regarding to maximum temperature, regarding to minimum temperature, after that average rainfall of that particular region. Then, according to that, the average value of that particular region, average value of that particular climate is predicted by Indian meteorological scientists. Means first they will do statistical analysis of 30 years average data. According to that data, and they will conclude that this type of climate is there, this type of soil is there, this type of cropping pattern is there. Climatic control is the most important. If the crops is selected for based on optimum climatic requirements, the likely their crop production can be maximized. According to climatic control, you have to decide your crop growing pattern of crops, cropping pattern, crop cultivation practices. Means suppose that take example of southern India, take example of Kerala, after that Goa, after that Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. These are the states in the vicinity of the sea coastal ecosystem. In that ecosystem there is a hot and humid time. According to that climate, 30 years, 300 years, there is a hot and humid climate. According to that, farmers will become their specialization in the cultivation of the crop that is suitable for their climatic normal. Next, in next slide, we are to discuss about the importance of forecast. Importance of what is the importance of this weather forecasting? First point, basically weather has a many social and economic impact in a place. Okay. If you consider social life, your social life, suppose that you have to plan to do, suppose that you have to do agriculture activities, you have to do functional activities, economic impact means suppose that you have to launch any scheme, after that you have to take a gathering of the people, you have to start the vaccination festival. Madam, there is a totally our social life or economic life is totally related to the if there is affected due to the weather. Among different factors that influence crop production, weather plays a device role. Operation it in alone explain up to the 50% variation in crop production. Among the different factors that influence crop production, weather plays a decisive role as an apparition. In it alone explains up to the 50% variation in a crop production. Here is the most important crop production. Weather plays a device role. means aberration crop production. Suppose that you have to harvest crop, you have to sow the crops. Take example of just now there is in our India there is in the month of June there is onset of monsoon. Okay, when the monsoon will start from Kerala, that will be by the southwest monsoon, matlab from south direction it to go ahead and follow next to the western India. According to that, there is a most important this weather forecasting is important role in crop production. Next, the planning for moisture conservation under weak monsoon condition for a flood relief understood monsoon condition is important region. Suppose that by weather forecasting we can understand in this year we will not get a optimum amount of rainfall. Ultimately we have to go for the soil water conservation practices, moisture conservation practices, because if there is a no, suppose that in dryland condition, if there is a dry spell is there, according to by using this weather forecasting we can plan for that for moisture conservation practices, cultural practices, mechanical practices, that will help to increase our crop yield. Next, a reliable weather forecast when decimated approximately will gives you way out for the impact of sustainability. Means our if is proper prediction of a weather through this scientific method, then there is our total goal of sustainability we can achieve. In continuous with the previous slide, one can minimize the damage which may caused directly or indirectly by unfavorable weather. Okay, means suppose that if there is a unfavorable environment, suppose that there is a high wind speed and that now there is a mango is harvesting. Suppose that we can understand tomorrow there is a wind velocity is flowing 50 km per hour. Immediately we can start the harvesting of mango to avoid the minimizing risk of this crop failure. Next, the recurring crop losses can be minimized if reliable forecast incidence of pest disease in time duration of weather occurs. Take example of some rust type of disease repeat. If there is maximum humidity, suppose that we can predict that humidity is going on increase, you go for the disease control measures, mechanical measure, integrated disease management practices. For the control means we have to buy weather for by the average prediction of weather past we can save our crops from the diseases and pests. Next, this means that in good monsoon years when prices fall, the government may step in and buy, and bad years when prices tend to rise, it may be upload a part what it had purchased. We suppose that if there is a proper monsoon, we will get a more yield, we will get a more return, and government has to store that metal. If there is a suppose that prediction is that there is no the rainfall, no rainfall, there is a papers are facing for a drought condition. In that condition, this weather forecasting is the most important. Judicious use of water can be done in region depending on the forecast. Okay, judicious use. What is meant by judicious use? Suppose that in dryland condition there is a scarcity of water. If you understand tomorrow within the upcoming 2 days there is a rainfall occurred in dryland region of the Moradabad of sorry, Moradabad is not dryland, but in Bundelkhand region of the UP it is a dryland region. Suppose that the farmer is living in the Bundelkhand region, they can understand that in the upcoming 2 days there is a rainfall, they will stop the give the irrigation. Because if there is rain, they can understand the irrigation is there, sufficient moisture is there for the requirement of crop growth. Then they will. This is the major importance of weather forecast. In next slide, we are going to study about the types of weather forecast. Types of weather forecast. A short-term weather forecast issued generally for next few hours. Here is the first type is nowcast, second type is a short range forecast, third medium range forecast, and fourth one long range forecast, and fifth one seasonal climate forecast. There are major 5 types of the weather forecast. First one nowcast, second one short range forecast, third one medium range forecast, and fourth one long range forecast, and fifth one seasonal climate forecast. Okay. One by we will see the actually on the basis of period how there is a we classified these weather forecasts. Nowcast A short-term weather forecast just for fevers within a afternoon session. What is the probability of rainfall at 1 p.m.? What is the probability of temperature, maximum temperature? Means nowcast is generally for the next few hours, not for next days, next years. Short range forecast, the short term weather forecast issued for 24 hours with an outlook for another 24 hours. Okay. Means short range forecast is only given forecasting for a 24 hours with the outlook for the another 24 hours. Medium range forecast, weather forecast issued for a period extending from about 3 days to 7 days oblique 10 days. Means medium range forecasting is given for, suppose that in probability sometimes it be given for 3 days, sometimes 7 days and 10 days. Okay. Long range forecast, a weather forecast issued for a period greater than 7 days in advance and up to the season of more than 3 months. Okay. Seasonal climate forecast, a weather forecast issued for a season, especially for rainy, make for taking farm decision response farming. Long range forecast, what is meant by greater than 7 days? If we predict the weather forecast, then that condition refer to long range forecast. Seasonal climate for weather forecast मतलब generally response farming. Suppose that for this kharif season we are going to predict seasonal climate forecast. मतलब in this season how much rainfall we will get, how much amount of wind velocity flow, what is the temperature, humidity, all the parameters we are given on the seasonal basis. That comes under the seasonal climate forecast. Next, that is the weather forecasting for services. Okay. What is in which sector this weather forecasting data will help to the human being for the social and economic life? General public, suppose that general public there is a in general public life there is importance of weather casting. Fishing, suppose that fishing is the most important sector. Those people they are go for the fish trapping in the sea coastal area. Suppose that if you don't know the wind velocity after the sea storm, then they will destroy the ships and lizards. And that's why fishing is important sector. Even the weather forecasting is the most important. Mountain engineering also is important for weather forecasting. Cyclones, floods and drought. Suppose that when there will be cyclone, what is the rainfall condition? If there is a high rainfall, flood situation will develop. If there is a low spell, drought situation will develop. According to weather forecasting, we can understand. Next, agriculture including forest animal husbandry. Suppose that in forest area, how much rainfall is there. Animal husbandry, if there is a temperature increasing or decreasing, what is the effect of temperature on animal health. Next, shipping, mercantile and naval, offshore drilling, defense servicing, aviation, civil military, government, post office, means all over the field there is the most important scope of weather forecasting. If we predict the weather forecasting, we can minimize the losses in socio-economic life of the human being. Okay. These are some references that is used for the preparation of the video.